Today's natural expressions captured in the daily lives of native Korean are 닭볶음탕, 냄비, 감자칼, 고소한 맛, 잘 먹겠습니다, 맛있게 드세요, and 후식. If you're interested in either in today's expressions or the daily lives of native Korean, please watch the following video. Hello, I'm Bori, and it's Bori's Korean. Are you into spicy Korean food? Today, I will introduce one of my favorite Korean foods to make, called 닭볶음탕. 닭볶음탕 is a kind of spicy chicken soup. I looked up the English name of this food in the dictionary because I wanted to help you imagine it as much as possible. And in the English dictionary, 닭볶음탕 is called braised spicy chicken. Whatever its English name is, if you haven't tried it yet, go to a nearby Korean restaurant and try it right now. I'm sure you won't regret it. I strongly recommend. But warning before viewing this video. If you want to learn how to make Korean food properly, you can turn this video off right now. Also, if you follow the recipe in video, you can damage your specialty in cooking. From now on, I will start the suspicious cooking class. I need these ingredients to make fantastic 닭볶음탕. Then, here's my recipe. Number 1. Put water and trimmed chicken in a pot and boil. This type of pot used in cooking is called 냄비 in Korean. 냄비. Number 2. While waiting for the water to boil, trim all the vegetables as much as you want to eat. While preparing vegetables, I realized that I wasn't sure about the Korean name of this knife I was using. So I started looking into the internet with a knife to trim vegetables. And I found out that it's generally called 감자칼. 감자칼, which means a potato knife. Is it the best knife for potatoes? I don't know. Number 3. When the water boils, add all the vegetables, sauces, and spices and boil them until everything is cooked. For your information, I added 1.5 spoonful of garlic and 8 of soy sauce and red pepper powder, this amount of paprika. Number 4. When everything is cooked, put it in a bowl and sprinkle with sesame seeds. Sprinkle a lot. I love the taste of it. So many Korean foods have sesame or sesame oil in them, and Koreans love its taste. Its unique taste is called 고소한 맛 in Korean. 고소한 맛. Now everything is ready. Can you see the steam coming out of the soup? It's going to be really good, right? All you have to do now is eat it yummy. Koreans greet each other before we start eating. If you are the chef or the one to pay in a restaurant, you say 맛있게 드세요, 맛있게 드세요. Or if you're treated, just say 잘 먹겠습니다, 잘 먹겠습니다. Lastly, I need dessert after eating spicy food and after eating non-spicy food. In Korean, dessert is called 후식, and I love cake and coffee for 후식. Can you see my forks aggressively preheated? Have a sweet day like a cake, everyone.